Hello, welcome. Let's find a quiet place to practice English. Today, our place is a small garden full of life and simple happiness. Just listen. Just relax. Elara has a small garden behind her house. It is her favorite place in the world. She enjoys spending her mornings there. Every spring, she begins again. First, she prepares the soil. The soil is dark and soft. She loves the feeling of the earth in her hands. Then, she plants the seeds. Tiny seeds for tomatoes, for lettuce, for carrots. Each seed is a small promise. Elara is very patient. She tends to her garden every day. She gives the small plants water. She makes sure they have sun. She watches for the first green sprout to come out of the soil. It makes her smile. Slowly, the plants grow. Weeks pass. The sun and the water help them grow tall and strong. Finally, the day comes. A red tomato is ready. Elara picks it. It is warm from the sun. Her hard work is now a beautiful vegetable. She loves this simple life. Her garden gives her food, and it gives her peace. Now, let's learn the new words from our story. Soil, the earth that plants grow in. Example, the soil is dark and rich. Seed, a small thing from a plant. A new plant can grow from it. Example, she plants a seed. Sprout, a new, very young plant coming out of the soil. Example, she sees a small green sprout. To tend, to take good care of something like a garden. Example, she tends to her plants every day. Patient, able to wait for a long time without getting upset. Example, gardeners must be patient. In the story, we see a special pattern. After verbs like love, like, and enjoy, we can use the ing form of a verb to talk about an activity. Look, she enjoys spending her mornings there. She loves feeling the earth in her hands. This is very common and very natural in English. For example, I like reading. He enjoys walking. Think about an activity you enjoy. Elara enjoys spending time in her garden. What about you? In the comments below, tell us one activity you enjoy doing. Use the enjoy plus verb-ing pattern. Example, I enjoy walking, or I enjoy listening to music. Thank you for learning with us today. Find some peace in your day. Until next time.